My video is about removing the online scam related to the site Protecttoday.space. This site, Protecttoday.space, is a dangerous site. It actually targets Google Chrome and other browsers, and the purpose of this tricky and deceptive site is to trick you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. If you see these pop-ups by Protecttoday.space, don't tolerate these pop-ups and just leave this totally deceptive page. I recommend you to additionally research the system with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com. Download this software, install the application, and once it is successfully installed, start carefully researching the computer. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to identify and then eliminate all other threats which might still possibly stealthily remain on your device. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.